Fire in the hole! Let's cook a bacon cheeseburger. Hey, let's play a little game. Count how many times I say bacon in this video, and you could win some Rootboy Rub. Stay tuned. Bacon roasting on an open fire. Hey, welcome to my backyard once again. Today we're gonna make a bacon cheeseburger. So we're cooking up a couple pieces of bacon to put in the cheeseburger. This is gonna go in the sauce. We're gonna crumble this up and make a sauce with bacon in it. Then we're gonna wrap a burger in bacon. Then we got some cheese with bacon in it. So that's why I'm calling it the bacon cheeseburger. And I hope you're counting, because we're up to about 100 right now, okay? Stay tuned, we'll make the sauce for this burger. Okay, let's make the bacon sauce for our bacon cheeseburger. We're gonna start out with some mayonnaise. A dollop of mayonnaise in my thing here. That's about a tablespoon of mayonnaise. That's good stuff. Then we need some Dijon mustard. I'm gonna put some Dijon mustard in there because I like it. I hate it when it does that. Ugh, I hate it when it gets all watery like that. Get out of there. I hate this. Okay. Dijon, about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. I don't know. Let's call it looks like I'm out of Dijon mustard, so let's call it a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Anyway, let me get some more out of there. Yeah, come on, we're gonna play this game today. Alright, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard because I'm out of Dijon mustard. Then we got some of the old tiger sauce. You want tiger sauce in everything you make. Gives you that nice sweet heat tiger sauce. And then we got some of my favorite stuff, Wickles sandwich spread. We need about, let's call it 3 tablespoons or three teaspoons, heaping teaspoons of Wickles in there. And of course, we got the bacon that we just cooked up. Crumbled, crispy bacon. Hope you're keeping score. You could win some Rootboy Rub if you know the right number. I don't know it myself yet because I'm not done. Anyway, let me get my sauce mixed up. This is the bacon sauce for the burger. So the sauce has got bacon in it, the burger's going to have bacon on it, and the cheese has bacon in it as well. Let me get my sauce mixed up and get it in the fridge, let it come together a little bit, you know, let those flavors intensify each other. Let's go get the burger and prep him up. Stay tuned. Okay, we're going to put this burger patty together. We got some bacon. What a surprise. Got my burger patty. Gonna put some of my Rootboy Rub, #1, on the burger patty. Turn them upside down on the bacon. Put some more Rootboy Rub on the patty. Little bit of that on there. Tastes good. Good stuff. Shut up, dog. Then we're gonna take the bacon and go like this, crisscrossing our patty. These dogs are gonna give it to me today, boy. They're giving me the business. Bacon, bacon, bacon. How I love some bacon. There we go. Okay. The bacon patty is ready to go in the pan and be cooked. And then we'll get that out here, get it on a bun, and I'll show you my bacon cheese. So stay tuned. You know, they say if you can't sell them the steak, sell them the sizzle. Can you hear that sizzling? I hope so. Alright, let's get my bacon patty, my burger patty cooked up. And then we'll put this bacon cheeseburger together. So stay tuned. Okay, the burger patty's done. Let's build an awesome burger. I've got this is the cheese I'm using, smoked Gouda with bacon. New York Yancey's Fancy. Only the best for me. Let's put some of that sauce on the bottom of the bun. A little bit of my bacon sauce with bacon in it. Spread that out on the bun like that. Then I got some of that Yancey's Fancy bacon Gouda. I'm gonna rip that up like that. 3 pieces like that. And I'm gonna put that patty on there. I'll probably burn my finger, but there we go. There's the patty. I'm gonna put some more sauce on top of it. And some more bacon Gouda. Bacon Gouda. Have you ever heard of such a thing? A wonderful cheese. I've got some, for crunch, I've got some of these French fried onions. I'm going to throw some of them on top. Just put them everywhere on there. Just dump them on there like that. We'll put the top on it, and then we'll do it steakhouse style with one of my hot pickles. We'll jam a knife in the burger. How does that look? Does that look like something you'd like to eat? Let me get that up there where you can see it without dropping it. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what you call a bacon cheeseburger. Let me get a beer and we'll cut this thing open and take a taste of it. Stay tuned. Oh, my bacon cheeseburger's done. Here's today's beer. This is Terrapin High and Hazy IPA from Athens, Georgia. Kiss the sky, it says. Excuse me while I kiss the sky. Yes, sir. You better believe it, baby. All the way from Athens, Georgia, a hazy IPA. You know, Rob, you know what I like, right? A hazy IPA from Athens, Georgia. Let's pour that out, a beautiful pale ale. That's gonna complement my burger perfectly. I can't wait to quaff the froth off of this one, Rob. Look at the beautiful paleness of that. Look at how light that is. Oh, beautiful. I can't wait to quaff the froth, Rob. Let's take a sniff. Ah, it smells great. It smells great. Always a good beer from Terrapin Brewing Company. This is no exception. Let's quaff the froth off it. Ah, delicious. Excellent beer. Let me get my burger over here. She's kind of leaning a little bit. Let me get my hot pickle off of there and get a taste of that. I know that's good. Ah, that's excellent. Let me cut that puppy in half. That's the only way I got a chance of getting it in my mouth. I know you're gonna think it's a little rare. I actually like my burgers rare. Some people say you shouldn't eat rare burgers because you don't know if there's bacteria in there. I say you gotta die of something. You might as well kill yourself with rare meat and bacon, right? Let me get a taste of that. Ah! That's outstanding. I love the crunch from those onions. I love my hot pickles. And I love a rare burger. Babies, don't sleep on this one. Make yourself a bacon cheeseburger. Don't forget to count how many times I said bacon in this video. The winner will win some Rootboy Rub. In my mouth, not working, right? I can't wait to eat the rest of this burger. It's awesome. Look at that. I love a sloppy burger. Hey babies, that's my video. We'll see you next week. We'll find out who won the bacon contest. Bye.